Dang, hood just flipped up. 65 miles an hour and the thing just slammed into the thing. Lost that. Lost the vent, lost antenna, need a new windshield, lost the hood. The mirror even fell off. The cracks all in the... Dang, sucks. On my way to get some hood pins today. Gotta walk all the way to the mailbox. Do a little jogging here and there. It's only 1.5 miles there and back, not too bad. Unless the wind's blowing in your face. But yeah, I was thinking the other day. I was thinking of the story the other day. When I was driving my car. I was giving it wide open. When I didn't have the turbo on. I was going wide open. First gear, second gear, tried to go to third gear. I guess I didn't have the clutch in or didn't shove it in time or something quick enough. Oncoming traffic. This dude, because I missed third, it was like that was my exhaust noise shooting flames. Man, that dude slowed down so fast he thought my engine blew up. And honestly, I wasn't sure if I'd blew it up or not. But luckily, I just missed third and just popped it right back in. Wide open throttle again. Rockstar. I can't do this. That's what the pins look like. I ordered black, but whatever. I only paid $1 for it, so I'm not going to complain. They feel very good, dirty, solid. So can always fix it with black spray paint. No biggie here. $1, I can't complain. Okay, I spoke way too soon. These are super cheap. This is not what it looks like. This is aluminum, very, very easily bent. How much do you think this weighs? Do you think this is steel? It looks like it's steel. But this thing weighs like a gram, dude. This is aluminum. This thing, I don't know. It's very freaking light. This has to be hollow on the inside. I don't know, man. This is, I did not expect this. This is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Holy crap. But yeah, I bent this coming out of the package when I tried to rip it out. I bent it flat. I guess it's still... I guess I did good bending it back. But yeah, this is very, very cheap. I wonder if these are aluminum. Oh my god. No, surprisingly, these are the best quality pieces of the whole kit. These are made of steel. These are heavier than these two combined. No lie. Big sound difference, huh? Yeah. Wow. Big difference. Alright, let's get the hood on. Well, here's where I drew it out. Other than those spots in between these lines, it can't go anywhere. Just before the curve. Yep. I don't know if you can see in there. No, you can't see in there. It's tough. But right there. That's the only spot. That way I'll feel much better about the hood not flying up and cracking, and finish cracking the windshield and demolishing it. And God, $50 at the junkyard used for this. I still got to repair it, but I'll figure that out. $15 repair kit. Well, time to drill. One down. Looks nice. Got the second one. Just my luck, when I put the hood on, it'll be way out of sync. Well, this will be the final result. I guess not too bad. He got his own nipple piercings now, I guess I would call it. As soon as I fix the hood, I won't have to worry about it demolishing everything. So, pretty good.